My dear students, in addition to the typical interviewing, there are a number of other selection tools as well, which can be used nowadays. For example, there is a panel interviews. This, as the name indicate, such kind of interviews in which a group of interviewers questions the applicant, not face-to-face interview of one to one person, but it is a group of interviewers who are interviewing one person at a time. So such kind of interviews are panel interviews, and nowadays such kind of interviews are very much common in most of the organization. It would enhance the validity and reliability of the interview, because not one person is asking a question, but number of the people are asking number of the questions belonging to the different aspects of an applicant. Then is a group interview. It is a meetings in which several job interact in the presence of one or more company representative. So this is different from the panel interview. There are a number of jobs that the people are offering, and those jobs are for the number of people are interviewing for those jobs with one or more company representative. So you can see such kind of things on the job fair, that number of the company representative or one company representative is sitting in one panel or in one block, and they are interviewing a number of the people for a number of jobs. So such kind of practice is very much common on the job fairs. Then is the computer screening. Sometimes the distances are too much, and it is not a good idea to call each and every person to your company. So computer screening is a very effective technique in such kind of situation. A recent interviewing innovation is the use of computers to screen applicant via resume scanning and to conduct preliminary screening interviews and online testing. So all the basics and the preliminary things would be done through the computer. First one is a shortlisting of the resume, and then the conduction of the preliminary screening interviews, and then online testing even can be happened on the computer. So such kind of things would save a lot of time of the both of the candidate and the company. It can save a lot of costs of both of the candidate and the company. So computer screening is the most effective techniques. And if we will find someone suitable for the job, then you may call someone for the final interviews before making an hiring decision. And then the typical computer-aided interviews have about 100 questions and can be completed in less than 20 minutes. So such kind of things can be quite common in the organization. A big advantage is that a lot of information can be obtained quickly and economically from a larger number of candidates. So in one point of time, hundreds of candidates, providing you a very effective information, and you are saving time. It is economical. You are saving cost. It is good, quick way of getting information in less period of time. And then after the computer screening, there is a video interviewing as well. This is also a common technique nowadays, particularly when you are hiring people from around the globe. This particularly advantageous for the organization wanting to conduct interview with applicants who reside interstate or overseas. So you can go for it, and then the management at the hiring organization can evaluate the video candidates by different ways, and they can reach on the hiring decision. So these are the few of the selection tools, but in the next session we will discuss there are a number of other selection tools which are quite modern, and nowadays organizations are using them for their hiring decision.